There are a lot of electronic devices in the market that require a set of AA or AAA batteries to work. These batteries are mostly needed for portable devices that you can use on the go. Even powerful devices like digital printers and LED lights require portable batteries nowadays. If you are going to need a set of AA batteries, it might be a better choice to switch to a set of rechargeable batteries. There are many products available to choose from best rechargeable battery, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rechargeable battery from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Rechargeable Batteries. Nowadays, Amazon Basics has an alternative option for all types of electric products and gadgets. And most of these options are budget-focused like the one mentioned here. In the first position, we are putting an in-house product designed by Amazon. This is the cheapest option we have on our list of the best rechargeable batteries. As you can expect, this is a low-capacity option that is designed for low-powered appliances. The Amazon Basics AAA rechargeable batteries come in a pack of 12 units with 800 mAh battery capacity on each cell. Since these batteries have a 1000 recharge cycle rating, they are suitable for long-term usage, as well as outdoor appliances. If you are worried about the battery backup, don't be. The Amazon Basics AAA rechargeable batteries has a very low self-discharge rate, allowing the batteries to maintain up to 80% battery level for about 24 months. Since the product is designed by Amazon, you will receive the set in an Amazon-certified packaging that can also. Number 2. EBL rechargeable batteries. Of high capacity is what you need on your rechargeable battery set. Stop right here. The following set designed by EBL is one of the best options we have for heavy applications. Our third choice for the best rechargeable battery set is the EBL AA rechargeable batteries. These batteries have a battery capacity rating of 2800 mAh, which you won't find easily on a set of rechargeable batteries. And even with that, the EBL AA rechargeable battery set includes 16 batteries in the set, justifying its premium price range. So if you are planning to buy a rechargeable battery set for your digital printer or camera, this is the perfect option. The EBL AA rechargeable batteries are rated for about 1200 recharge cycles, ensuring at least a couple of years of usage considering the battery capacity. It is possible thanks to the mix protection provided to the cathode batteries, which protects them from chemical degradation. On top of that, the slow discharge rate of the EBL AA rechargeable batteries allows the battery to hold about 80% charge, even after 3 years of inactivity. Pros. One of the most powerful options. Suitable for high-power appliances. Chemical degradation is almost negligible. Cons. Charging the batteries might take a long time. Number 3. Eneloop rechargeable batteries. Talking about popular brands for electronic products, Panasonic is also a name that you might have come across before, especially for LED-powered lights. They also make rechargeable batteries that offer sufficient capacity for such devices. In the third position, we have the Panasonic BK3MCCA8BA Eneloop battery set. There are 8 batteries available in this set just like our last choice, and it is also available in a budget-focused price range. However, each of the 8 batteries in this set offer a 2000 mAh battery capacity, which is hard to find in this price range. Also, these batteries can be recharged up to 2100 times before you will have to replace them. As for the self-discharge rate, the Panasonic BK3MCCA8BA Eneloop can retain nearly 70% battery level, even after you unbox them a decade after the date of purchase. And to make. Number 4. BRIGHTWAY rechargeable batteries. Coming to one of the most popular options we could find for our list today, we have the following set from BRIGHTWAY. It can be an ideal choice if you have a large collection of devices that run on AA batteries. The BRIGHTWAY rechargeable AA batteries are arguably a preferred option for tens of thousands of users, thanks to its highly affordable price range. At a budget-focused price point, the BRIGHTWAY rechargeable AA battery set offers 12 batteries. Thus, the effective price of each battery is quite low. And with that, you are still getting a battery capacity of 1300 mAh on each cell. To make the set safer for long-distance shipping, BRIGHTWAY rechargeable AA batteries are pre-charged up to 30%. But with the high capacity and low discharge rate, the BRIGHTWAY rechargeable AA batteries will be powering your devices for a long time. These batteries also don't lose the maximum battery capacity after multiple recharge cycles. Talking about recharge cycles, you won't be needing a replacement for these batteries for about 1200 recharge cycles. Pros: environment-friendly option. Great power capacity. Do not lose maximum power capacity over time. Number 5. Powerful rechargeable batteries. Powerful also has a great option designed for heavy applications present on our list. This set also includes a number of batteries, so that you can power all of your devices with no problem. The Powerful AA rechargeable batteries are also a great choice if you are looking for a premium yet reliable option for a rechargeable battery set. These batteries are backed by a 2800 mAh battery capacity on top of a low self-discharge rate to offer a long shelf life. When not in use, the PowerLay rechargeable batteries will retain about 70% charge even after 3 years. As for when you are using the batteries, you will get better performance out of your devices thanks to the high capacity. These batteries are also rated for about 1200 recharge cycles, ensuring years of reliability. Before shipping, power will pre-charge. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.